Episode 14. How to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening in Spanish. In the following exercises, we're going to learn how to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening in Spanish. In order to say good morning, you would say Buenos Días. In order to say good afternoon, you'd say Buenas Tardes. In the order to say good evening, you would say Buenas Noches. Don't worry, we'll go over this in detail in the next few minutes. The one thing to pay attention to is the ending on the buenos, the good part. For morning, it ends in an OS, so it's Buenos Días. For afternoon and evening, it ends with an AS. It's feminine, so it's Buenas Tardes and Buenas Noches. So for this episode, you can complete the exercises by simply repeating what you hear. Repeat not only the Spanish, but the English. This will actually imprint it on your mind. Let's get started. Empecemos.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Buenas tardes.
Good afternoon.
Buenas tardes.
Good afternoon.
Buenas noches.
Good evening.
Buenas noches.
Good evening. Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.